Hey, this is Sasha. Thanks for joining me in today's video. What I wanted to share with you today is a quick little insight into the options membership plan that we offer. So if you're into trading options, if you want to get a quick glimpse and idea of what goes on behind the scenes here, we get a chance to really just work with you, specifically hone in and work on a select few people that attend either the live sessions, ask questions through the email, and that way we get trade ideas and setups for the current market conditions. So if you're interested in joining, you'll get to see a quick clip right now. It's a little preview, it's cut, so you get to see an idea of what goes on behind the scenes. Again, if you're a member, you get the access to the full video. And some of those videos actually are quite long and lengthy and detailed. So they might be 38 minutes, 39 minutes, 17 minutes, 42 minutes. So as you can see, they are quite detailed. Now, to get this membership, what you could do is go to the tradersfly.com website. And you can head on over to members section over here. By the way, there's a lot of great freebies over in this area, or if you're brand new to options, just go ahead and go to the options trading 101 section. But when you click the members tab over here, you can go in, click the options, ideas, and strategies, and this will give you some ideas and insight of what it's really all about, along with some FAQs. And for you being, watching YouTube here and checking things out, I've created a little coupon code for the first month. It's called Share the Love, and that's only available here during kind of this segment and this video as you watch this. You might be watching this video, a month or two after it's released, and if that's the case, then the coupon may not work. So just understand that coupons do expire from time to time. But in this case, if you're interested in joining, check it out. You'll get 50% off here on the first month. So anyways, thank you so much. Enjoy the clip, and I will see you next time. So let's take a look at Shopify. And why do I want to go with Shopify? It's just another stock. You could do it on any other stock that you feel is more appropriate. But let's say in general, this is kind of a support level that you might be looking at. You're looking for maybe it holding that support. Now, if it breaks, of course, you'll have some trouble. But maybe holding the support level, if you're down from that 1146, you're thinking, hey, more than likely we're going to get some upward movement. I just don't know when. And already today you are up about 24 points. So the way I might set this up is with an iron condor. And I probably do something around 18 days or 25 days. If I do 11, price can wiggle and that could create a little bit of problems. 18 days might be the sweet spot. 25 might be maybe too long. So I'll go 18 because I don't want the volatility risk, because if volatility does increase, at least this kind of reduces the volatility problem. I get my theta and I'm kind of out. So what I'll do is I'll probably go maybe to a 13 delta on this side. Why 13? Let's say we start from a basic 10 delta put, 10 delta call. I'll bring into the 13 because we're already at lower levels. So that probably means, hey, I think and I believe that probably we won't go down too much further. Now we could, but you're saying, hey, already we've kind of came pretty far down. And then my other side, I might give myself a little more room. So I would do normally, let's say a 10-10 for a balanced situation. But in this case, I might do, the 13 and maybe let's say an 8. Why an 8? Because if we get a snap up, we're kind of hitting those levels. We're giving a little more room on the upper end, and I might do a little less contracts, and that'll put me at 1130. The 1130, as you can see, is going to be near the all-time highs. It's not really the all-time highs because 1146 is all-time highs, but it's near there. So that gives me this big range if we snap up, because that's the biggest risk. Now, if we kind of stay stable here, I should still be okay, and if we pull back, I'll have to be a little quick to fix it. But if we get this whip up, that could be the concern. Is if I did a balanced one, I'll just show you here in a second. Let's say we did 1130 here. So here's 1130. Here's maybe 1150 for protection. Sorry, let's see, gotta go a little further. 1150 for protection. If I did one balanced like this, I do have a little bit of room, but maybe I'm just risking too much capital there on that single side. So that's why I brought that side in, widened this side a little bit, and that gives me kind of a little bit more room. Whereas if I brought this to a 10, like 1110, or even let's say 1100, 1100 and 1120, you don't have as much of the, you're tighter, and if it just explodes pretty quick, you'll be on this other side very quickly. So that'll be a little bit of the issue. So that's why I say, hey, let's go to about 1120, and here we'll go 1140. That gives me a little extra of this positive delta. Now, the downside with this is if this pulls back and continues over the next day or two and starts pulling back, I'm in bigger trouble. So if you want to be a little more delta neutral on it, what you could do is just keep this at the, let's say, 10 delta on the put side. That gives you a little more room on the put side, maybe even 790 and 770. And then on the call side, kind of leave it at an 8 or a 9. So again, you don't have to make big movements. It could be just, one's a 10 and one's an 11. Just a little bit offset with these larger stocks will be a bigger difference. All right, so thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video, quick clip, and some insights on what we do kind of in the members section of the options segment. Keep in mind, if you're brand new to just getting started, go check out the options trading start here section on our website at tradersfly.com, or you could go to the freebie section where you could go ahead and download quite a lot of other cheat sheets, worksheets, mini video courses, and things that I'm working on for you guys. And if you want to join us in the members area, go to the membership section right up here on the navigation bar. You'll be then taken to our members website, and that's where you can see the options, ideas and strategies membership plan, and you can get a big overview of what it's really all about as well with a video there. So thanks again for joining me. Remember to hit subscribe if you're brand new to the YouTube channel, or of course, go ahead and join the newsletter list by clicking the link right over here. And that way you get notified as we release other great videos, courses, products, books, and maybe even join us on our live video session from time to time. Thanks again, and I will see you next time.